Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can get free coins on TikTok. We are going to go to TikTok application here, and in my case I lowered the volume for not interrupt us, and we can see friends options and we search test. We can see in another hours different live. For example, this is a live, but this live is private and we can pay for subscribe in this live. By the way, you can put you can search in Spanish cofre, and you can see another options, best options and free. Hang on a second. In Spanish you put cofre and we can see more option in the evening. Not now is morning, and this is all legal free, and you can get more tests, and that will be it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us, and don't forget to activate the bell.